Welcome! In this short clip, we'll work on the activation of your ctcLink account. First, open a web browser, then visit www.cc.edu/netid. Then, click on Activate your ctcLink account here. After that, you'll be directed to ctcLink's login page, find the Activate Your Account link, and click on Activate Your Account. Here, you'll need to enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and your ctcLink ID. Now, it's time to set up your account recovery methods. First, you'll need to enter a valid email you'll always have access to. Next, enter a valid phone number to get a text notification in case you need to reset your password. Finally, you'll create your password. Please note the password instructions for your ctcLink account. You have now completed the activation of your ctcLink account. If you have any problems during this process, please visit www.cc.edu/helpdesk.